Hello, I'm Marina Economidou. I work in recruitment. I'm passionate about recruitment and technology, and that's why I'm here today. I'm working with the group.
And hi, I'm Chen Ru, and I'm studying my master's degree in UCL CASA. I'm really interested in urban data analysis. That's why I'm going to City Data Hack to do more data analysis.
Hi, I'm Thomas Koller. I work in an online marketing agency. I'm a data analyst and software developer, and I'm happy to work in a multidisciplinary team.
Hi, I'm Andrew Kinsman. I work as a data scientist in web performance, and it's just been a fantastic experience to come and meet the team and get cracking on a really interesting challenge.
Hello, I'm Lara Seti. I'm an innovation design engineer from Royal College of Art and Imperial College London. I'm interested in mobility and urban well-being, and then it's been fun. It's fun.
And I'm Jose Almendros. I'm a civil engineer and transport planner for Jacobs in Bristol. And what we are all doing is trying to solve the TFO challenge. So getting some data, getting familiarized with the Transport for London PTAL, and trying to see if we get to an interesting solution we can pitch.